You guys have been asking me about where I live and my apartment, so in today's video I'm going to show you my apartment. This is an apartment tour. This is our kitchen. As you can see, this is our stove where we cook. This is our cupboard. We store our bottles right over here. And then this is our fridge where we store our meat and all those stuffs. And then this is our sink where we wash dishes after eating. And then this is our microwave where we warm our food when it's cold and make it clean. Now let's go to our sleep. Alright, this is our sitting room. Never mind my dress coat. It's a little bit cold inside here. So as you can see, we have 3 couches for 1 person, for 2 person, for 2 people, and then for 3 people. I like to sit over here and my friend like to sit over there, and then I would like to lie like this. That's how our lounge looks like. Yes, we don't have a TV as you can see, but then right over here is just a table. Let me show you. Come. As I said, guys, this is just a table. Just a table here. You have seen this is exactly our lounge. So let's go straight to the bathroom and also my bedroom. Let's go. Alright, as you guys can see, this is our bathroom. This is our where we wash ourselves, and also this is our toilet. As you can see, this is our toilet, and also this is a basin where we wash our teeth or our hands. Basically, this is it. It is small, a bit smaller, but then we can do better next time and find a better place. So I'm showing everything in our apartment. I'm not going to hide anything. It is small, it's fine, but one day we're still going to make it. So let's go to my favorite room, which is my room personally. Let's go straight to it. Alright guys, I'm sure you guys have been waiting to see my own bedroom. But before, I just want to say this side is my friend's bedroom. He lived that side, but he's not here now. So guys, this is my room. Let's see what's happening inside. Let's go. Welcome to my world. This is basically my room. So where do I start? Okay, let me start over here. As you can see, this is just, I don't know what to call it, but I put my books over here. As you can see, I have a lot of books. Guys, I have a lot of books. All these books have my plans. Some of them I'm not going to use them anymore because I used to write everything that comes into my mind. So some of the things, when I look back, because I started writing things back in 2019, when I started to hear things like social media, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, forex and all those, I used to write everything that I'm learning. And also this side, you see, this one is for last year, 2022 diary. 2022 diary, and also there is this one, and also so if you guys want me to go through my books and show you what are the things that I was writing over here, please comment down below. I will make a specific video whereby I'm explaining exactly what's happening inside these books. It is very wise for you. Whatever you think about, write it down. Some of the things are happening now, I'm glad. Some of the things are going to take time, but it's fine, we'll eventually get there. So yes, I sleep on a single bed. This is my bed. I sleep on a single bed, but then we're hoping sooner to have a double bed. Let me go to my train station, right? Oh, this is where exactly I'm studying. This is where exactly I think about my future more often when I'm sitting over here. So I'm not going to go through everything that is here. I'm just going to point some of the things that you guys can see, but the hidden ones I'm not going to go deeper into them. If you want me to make a specific video where I'm explaining my trading setup, please make sure that you subscribe, and also comment down below that you can just comment trading setup, that I will know that I need to make a video specifically for this setup, because I have a mouse over here, I have a keyboard, I have a TV, I have speakers, I have an external, I have my phone, I have my remote for the speakers, my remote for TV. I drink a lot of water, guys. You must stay dehydrated. I drink a lot of water. So whenever I'm trading, or maybe I'm focusing on something, or I'm watching a podcast, because I watch podcasts a lot, always I will be drinking water. Always. This thing, I finish it within a day. I just fill it up now because I'm also going to check the market. It's Sunday now. I'm shooting this video on Sunday. So yeah, I need to check the market before the market opens. Yeah, where do I have to show? Oh, let me show you up there. Alright guys, this is where I put my clothes. These are my clothes, as you can see, and also these are my clothes, and also these are my cosmetics, things that I use to bath. These are my shades. When the future is bright, you need to wear your shades. Yes. And also this thing, I managed to fill it up. It's more than 600 inside here, because I used to save only 5 friends. So there's no trend, there's no rent. It's only 5 friends inside of this. And also this one, I'm still going. I'm still going to fill it up. It's only 2 rands inside. So when time goes on, once it is full, I'm going to make the other one that I'm going to fill it up with 1 rand. Saving is very important. As much as we say invest your money so it can grow, but then saving also is very important. Right over here, let me start with the shoes. This is limited edition of Air Force A1. AF1, this Air Force, as you can see. But I'm not a fan of Air Force, so someone just decided to force me to buy them. I'm not a fan. As you can see, I'm a fan of Palladium. This one used to be yellow, like proper yellow, but then as you guys know, Palladium-ish have their own things. Now it changed the color. Right over here is another Palladium there. Palladium there. It's another Palladium there. I'm a fan of Palladium, guys. And this one is an old shoes. Now I play soccer. When we play outside, I play soccer with them. It's an old shoes. It's Adidas. I don't know what is Adidas what, but it's Adidas. Anyway, you see. These are my oh, I have another pair of Palladium, but it's an old one. Let me show you. These are the Palladium, an old one. First time starting to be interested into Palladium, I bought this. This one are the one that made me fall in love with Palladium. Then the other one came after. Why? These are the bottles. These are the bottles. This is Smirnoff Infusion, but then it is not expensive. The reason why I have it is because, guys, it tastes so good. Smirnoff Infusion tastes so good. And then this one is a blueberry G. Blueberry G. It tastes so good. Trust me. When you have it with tonic water, you're gonna thank me. This is a bottle of Hennessy. It's not a VSOP, guys. It's not a VSOP. It's a normal one. Hennessy, very special. Here's a bottle of Hennessy. And then here we come into the local. I don't know if you guys can see. The reason why I bought them both there is because they are competitors. As you can see right over here, we have Crangio, made in South Africa by McG from Podcast and Chill. This Crangio. And then this is a Biliardo made by Caspano Vest. I'm sure you guys know him. This is Biliardo made by Caspano Vest. Here is just it's not a bottle, it's just a freshener for my room to smell great. You can't be trading or maybe doing dropshipping or thinking about money in a room that smells so bad. You need to have this so that your room can be proper. Alright, then guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope if you guys need exactly a video whereby I'm going to go through my trading setup and show you everything that I have, you will comment down below. Please like this video so that YouTube can be able to recommend this video to other people. And also comment down below the end. I will know that you watched this video up until the end.